In this video, we're going to be looking at a strategy that we can use when we have groups of 4. Yes, I know we skipped 3, but I want to show you 4 because it's similar in a way to what we did with groups of 2. For this one, I've chosen the number 12. And I'm going to show you how we can find 12 groups of 4. As before, we can start off with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What we're going to do is we're going to double our 12. So we have and then we're going to double what we've already got to give us . Notice that this is one group of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got 12 groups of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we've got 12 groups of 4. How many dots here have I got in total? In the first step, we doubled 12. So we did 12 plus 12. So this 12 plus this 12 is going to be equal to 24. Then we have to double it again, double 24. So we have 24 and another 24, which is going to be equal to 48. We should have 48 dots here. Do you think we do? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Yes. Therefore, we know 12 groups of 4 is 48. This will work for any number of groups of 4. Our rule is any number times by 4 double once and double twice. You can use this strategy for any number that you want to. Go and try it for yourself in the attached activity, and I'll see you in the next video.